Are you looking for online income opportunities in 2023? We'll go over 8 well-liked and successful ways to do it in this video. Here are some things we'll be revealing in the video that can help you make money online in 2023. 1. Starting a blog or website. 2. Selling products or services. 3. Offering freelance services. 4. Teaching online. 5. Investing in stocks or cryptocurrency. 6. Participating in online surveys or focus groups. 7. Becoming an influencer. 8. Buying and selling of domain names for a profit. So there are 8 excellent choices to think about if you're interested in making money online in 2023. Let's get started.
Welcome to The Strategist.
How to make money online 2023. Number 1. Start a blog or website. A blog or website about a subject you are enthusiastic about can be made, and it can be made profitable through sponsorship, affiliate marketing, and advertising. In 2023, creating a blog or website can be a terrific method to start earning money online. Here are some starting points. 1. Select a topic. Pick a subject that interests you deeply and has a sizable enough audience to support your blog or website. 2. Select a platform. There are numerous platforms available, including Squarespace, Wix, and WordPress. Before selecting a platform, consider its features and price. 3. Create your blog or website. To create your blog or website, according to the setup instructions supplied by the platform you have selected. This could entail selecting a domain name, design theme, and hosting package. You may learn how to set up your blog by watching one of the many videos on YouTube. 4. Produce content. Create and post high-quality content on a regular basis to your blog or website. This can apply to written content as well as audio, video, and other forms of media. 5. Promote your blog or website. To draw readers and boost traffic, promote your blog or website through social media, email newsletters, and other marketing methods. 6. Make money off of your blog or website. You may make money off of your blog or website in a number of ways, such as through advertising, affiliate marketing, and sponsored content. Number 2. Sell products or services. You can market your goods or services using your own website, social media platforms, or an e-commerce site like Etsy or Amazon. In 2023, selling goods or services online is a fantastic method to earn money. Here are some starting points. 1. Select a good or service to market. Think about how you can create a product or service that others will pay for based on your passion or talent. To determine whether there is a market, you can also do research on well-liked goods or services in your niche. 2. Select a platform. You have a variety of options, including your own website, Etsy, and Amazon. Before making a choice, take into account the costs, features, and intended audience of each platform. 3. Establish your business or website. To set up your store or website, adhere to the directions supplied by the platform you have chosen. A seller account may need to be set up, your goods or services listed, and payment and shipping options configured. 4. Promote your goods or services to draw clients and boost sales. You may do this by using email marketing, social media, and other avenues. 5. Monitor your sales and expenses. Use an accounting program or spreadsheet to keep tabs on your revenue and costs, which should include the price of supplies, shipping, and any platform-related fees. 6. Constantly improve and grow. Monitor your sales and customer comments, and adjust as necessary to enhance your goods or services and raise client pleasure. If you want to increase your business, think about adding new products or services. Number 3. Offer freelance services. On websites like Upwork or Fiverr, you can advertise your freelancing skills, such as writing, editing, or graphic design. In 2023, providing freelancing services will continue to be a common way to earn money online. Here are some starting points. 1. Selecting your services. Think about your areas of expertise or experience and how you might transform them into a service that clients will pay for. To find out what is in demand, you can also look into the most popular services in your industry. 2. Create a profile. List your services and fees on your profile on a freelance marketplace like Upwork or Fiverr. Include a professional headshot and a thorough summary of your experience and credentials. 3. Locate clients. Look for freelancing jobs on the site, or get in touch with people you think would be interested in hiring you directly through social media or your personal network. 4. Complete jobs. Work closely with clients to finish projects to their standards, and be sure to stay in touch frequently to make sure you are fulfilling their demands. 5. Send invoices and collect payment. To send invoices to your customers and keep track of payments, use an invoicing tool or software. Your payment terms should be made clear, and any outstanding invoices should be followed up on. 6. Enhance your standing. To establish a solid reputation and draw in more customers, concentrate on providing high-quality work and first-rate customer service. To boost your value to clients, think about being certified or acquiring new abilities or training. Number 4. Teach or coach online. You can either design your own course or coaching program on your own website or teach or coach online using services like Udemy or Coach.me. Online coaching or teaching is a fantastic approach to earning money in 2023. Here are some starting points. 1. Select your niche or subject. Think about how you can create a course or coaching program that people will pay for based on your expertise or areas of passion. To find out what is in demand, you can also conduct research on well-known topics or niches. 2. Design your coaching or course. Create and arrange your course or coaching program using a learning management system, LMS, or another platform. Making lesson plans, videos for lectures, tests, and other materials is one example of this. 3. Select a platform. There are several options, including Udemy, Teachable, and Coach.me. Before choosing a platform, consider its pricing, features, and intended audience. 4. Promote your course or coaching program to draw in students or clients. You may do this by using social media, email marketing, and other means. 5. Teach or coach. Work closely with your students or clients to provide excellent instruction or coaching, and be receptive to their needs and inquiries. 6. Establish a favorable reputation in order to draw in additional pupils or clients. Put your attention on providing high-quality coaching or instruction as well as first-rate customer service. To boost your worth to students or clients, earn extra certifications or degrees. Number 5. Invest in stocks or cryptocurrency. Through online brokers like Robinhood or Coinbase, you can invest in equities or cryptocurrencies. In 2023, investing in stocks or cryptocurrencies may be a means to earn money online. Here are some starting points. 1. Do your research and pick a brokerage. Compare the costs, features, and reputations of several online brokerages. Popular choices include TD Ameritrade, E-Trade, and Robinhood. 2. Open a brokerage account. To open an account, follow the firm's instructions. This could entail supplying financial and personal data as well as completing any required documentation. 3. Add money to your account. Fund your investments by transferring money to your brokerage account. 4. Do your homework before making an investment decision. Look into the stocks or cryptocurrencies you're interested in, and weigh the risks and advantages. Popular equities to take into account include blue-chip firms with a track record of consistent growth or more recent firms with game-changing products or business strategies. Consider several well-known cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. If you are new to investing or if you have considerable assets to invest, you might want to consider getting guidance from a financial advisor. Number 6. Participate in online surveys or focus groups. To make extra money, you can take part in focus groups or internet surveys. Here are some starting points. 1. Do your research and pick a company. Compare the reputations, pay rates, and frequency of opportunities of several companies that conduct paid internet surveys or focus groups. Inbox Dollars, Swagbucks, and Survey Junkie are a few well-liked choices. 2. Register. To register and create a profile, follow the company's instructions. Providing demographic and personal data may be part of this. 3. Take part in surveys or focus groups. Check the company's website or email notifications for opportunities to take part in surveys or focus groups. 4. Complete the focus groups or surveys. Answer the questions truthfully and in accordance with the offered guidelines. Make sure you are eligible for the survey or focus group and that the money and time commitment are appropriate by reading the entire description before beginning. 5. Receive payment. The majority of employers will pay you using PayPal or another online payment system. It's critical to be aware of potential scams and to never give sensitive financial or personal information to an organization you do not trust. While it is an excellent method to supplement your income during downtime, taking part in online surveys or focus groups is not a reliable source of revenue. Number 7. Become an influencer. Through sponsored posts, merchandise, and brand collaborations, you may monetize your work as an influencer on social media sites like Instagram or YouTube. To get started, take these actions. 1. Decide on a platform. Pick a social media network that you love using, is relevant to your hobbies, and has your target market in mind. Twitter, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and other well-liked platforms are available. 2. Produce content. On the platform you've selected, produce top-notch material that is consistent with your brand and appeals to your audience. This could be in the form of pictures, videos, or blog postings. 3. Promote your content. To get followers and boost interaction, promote your content on social media, through email marketing, and through other methods. 4. Interact with your audience. To create a devoted community, reply to messages and comments left by your fans. 5. Work with brands. To develop sponsored content or to promote their goods or services in return for money or other forms of payment, you have to work with brands. Any sponsored material or partner relationships must be made very apparent to your audience. 6. Sell goods or services. Take into account selling goods or services, such as items or online courses, using your website or social media accounts. 7. Monetize your platform. To make more money from your material, look into the monetization alternatives provided by the platform, such as the Partner Program on YouTube or the Creator Fund on Instagram. Number 8. Buy and sell domain names for a profit. A profitable method of earning money online is through the purchase and sale of domain names. The web address of a website is called a domain name, and it can be purchased and sold just like any other asset. Purchasing and selling domain names is referred to as domain flipping. You must locate a domain name that is in demand and has the potential to rise in value before you can begin domain flipping. There are many ways to achieve this, including investigating market trends in your sector, keeping an eye out for domain names that are about to expire, and using tools to uncover well-liked keyword phrases. Once you've found a domain name you think has worth, you can either purchase it from the owner directly or register it using a domain registrar. After that, you have two options: either keep the domain and wait for its value to rise, or try to sell it to someone else for a profit. You can try to sell a name privately through a broker or directly to a buyer, listed on a marketplace like Flippa or GoDaddy Auctions, or both. In 2023, there are numerous internet income opportunities. But it's crucial to do your research and pick a strategy that fits your interests, abilities, and objectives. Always act consistently, professionally, and transparently, and only collaborate with trustworthy businesses. Although it takes work and commitment, earning money online may be a satisfying and flexible method to make money. We sincerely hope that this video has provided you with some motivation and ideas for making money online in 2023. Thank you for watching.